Welcome back, Carl here. And today in SQL we're going to be talking about joins. So welcome to chapter 4. Hope you guys have been doing great so far. So what are joins? A join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. The purpose of the joins in SQL is to access data from multiple tables based on a logical relationship between them. Joins are used to fetch data from database tables and represent the result data set as a separate table. The advantages of a join include that it executes faster, and the retrieval time of the query using joins almost always will be faster than that of a subquery. By using joins, you can minimize the calculation burden on the database, and instead of multiple queries using one join query. Let's go ahead and get into the different types of joins. There's basically 4 different types of joins. There's the inner join, left outer join, right outer join, as well as the full outer join. Now the inner join returns records that have matching values in both sides, meaning that the ID table says 1, 2, 3 in one table, and the ID table says 1, 2, 3 in the next tables. You can possibly do an inner join there with those two records matching on both sides, and then get you a data set. The left outer join returns all records from the left table and the match records from the right table. The right outer join returns all records from the right table and the match records from the left table. And then the full outer join returns all records when there is a match in either the left or the right table. Now you can see some examples down here where you have the inner join. Basically you have to have 2 matching columns. In most cases it will be an ID table, but it really can vary and be several different types of columns. And the left join is basically going to return all the records from that left table and only the matched records from the right table. Then you have the right join, where it basically returns all the records from the right table and the match records from the left table. Then you have this full outer join, where it's going to return all the records when there is a match in either the left or right table. And those are the different types of joins in SQL.